Peace and wonders, fam. We're going to touch briefly on that silent torturer of the female, biologically born female anatomy known as menopause. Let's read this review real quick. A review of 5 important cross-cultural studies indicates that there are enormous differences in the experience of menopause among women in the same culture and among cultures. Menopausal symptoms seem to be caused by a combination of physical changes, cultural influences, and individual perception and expectations. So let me give you a few tips of what you can do naturally in order to offset some of these debilitating effects of menopause. Allow us to look at this recent 12-week study that found that a plant-based diet that includes a daily serving of whole soybeans helped to reduce moderate to severe hot flashes in menopausal women by 84%. Also, there are specific herbs that you can utilize. The black cohosh, I'm very familiar with that. I've given that to people and it has helped them significantly. The false unicorn, the lemon balm, I have that as well, and the saw palmetto, sage, and licorice. These are things that can help offset some of the debilitating effects of menopause. Also, a key component that one must consider doing if they are an animal flesh consumer is to eliminate the animal flesh from your diet, especially during this phase of your life. Something to think about. Peace.